Are you a new drummer struggling to play paradiddles? Well, I've got 4 exercises for you today that are going to help you play them smoother and faster.
What are we waiting for?
Perhaps the most important rudiment that you can learn is the paradiddle. It's simple yet versatile, especially on the kit for your fills and your grooves. Now essentially, the paradiddle is just 2 single strokes and a double stroke. 2 single strokes and a double stroke. Paradiddles are what's called a balanced rudiment because they naturally alternate lead hands. They're also good for developing your weak hand and for learning to play ghost notes, which are important as many grooves include ghost notes, especially with your left hand. All right, now the first exercise I'm going to show you features bursts. As you may have noticed, I'm a big fan of bursts. They really help you to develop speed. So what we're going to do is we're going to play all paradiddles, but first we're going to play quarter note paradiddles, then 8th note paradiddles, then 16th note paradiddles. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1e and a 2e and a 4e and a 1e and a 2e and a 3e and a 4e. Okay, this time a little faster, a lot faster, at 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I think you get the idea. I'm going to try it one more time, this time in sort of like an open and closed rolling style, okay? Now the next exercise I'm going to show you is actually just another rudiment. It's called the triple stroke roll, where you play 3 strokes with each hand. It's simple but effective at helping to speed up your hands and make your paradiddles faster. So I'll demonstrate it for you, open, closed, open style. Now the next exercise is called inversions. And what that is we're going to take the diddle or the double stroke and move it to different positions within the 4-stroke pattern of a paradiddle.
Diddle, 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 diddle.
So the first one up is the diddle in the middle. So let me show you how that goes. It's going to be right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Next up is the diddle at the start. So we're going to play right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Okay? So slow to fast. All right, the final inversion of a paradiddle is the diddles on the ends. So it's really like 4 strokes, right, left, but then the next 4 strokes start with a left hand lead, left, right, okay? Putting that together, it's right, left, right, left, right, right, left, okay? So demo that for you here. And this last exercise is what is called a paradiddle builder. Now, I got this exercise from one of the other online creators, a Canadian girl named Emmanuelle Capulet. And so I want to give a little shout out to Emmanuelle. I kind of stole your exercise here. I hope you don't mind. I think it's a really good one, and I want to make sure you got credit for it. So here we go. First, we're going to start out with double stroke eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? The next section is alternating strokes, 1 E end, 2 E end, 3 E end, 4 E end. Now we're going to do another bar of the eighth notes, double strokes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 end. And then we'll do a bar of basically triple strokes, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now one more bar of eighth note double strokes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then finally a bar of full 16th note paradiddles, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So I'm going to put all that together for you, and I'll play it slow to start. 1 and 2. All right, so if you work on all those exercises, your paradiddles are gonna get faster and smoother in no time.
You can do it.
And we have a series that's already started out there called the Fundamental 40, where we're gonna cover all of the essential 40 rudiments of drumming. So make sure to subscribe for those and some future videos where we're gonna show you how to use those rudiments on the drum kit. Bye for now.